Hey everyone, and welcome to my vlog series. It's going to be 30 days in the month of April, or maybe there's 31, I don't know off the top of my head right now. But it's going to be 30 days of getting to know me better, getting to know my life better, and getting to understand who I am and why I am here. So right now I am on my way to the market to work the market there for the juice company that I work for. And it's going to be a beautiful day, so let's go.
Fuzzy camera.
Say hi! You're on my vlog series.
Am I now?
Yes, if you want to be.
Well, certainly. Why not?
Where are we right now?
We're at the Saturday morning market. Vendors are setting up. It's already a happy place.
Yeah. So good.
So good.
Vegan, gluten-free fillings. We're going to add some special red sauce made with tomatoes, fresh and dried, lemon juice, red pepper. We're going to top that off with some fresh chopped kale grown by Warden Farms. And then some of our homemade guacamole with a secret spice.
Hey guys, I just got back from the beach and I felt really compelled to read something to you out of one of my favorite books right now. It's called Give Thanks and Grow Rich. And that's not rich in the sense of money or wealth or any kind of material things. It's more in growing rich within yourself and understanding yourself better and understanding that you have all that you need inside of you to start new, start fresh, or to revive the life you're already living. And so I think I'm going to, with each of these vlogs, read a passage from this, whichever one calls to me, and that's the one that I will share with you. I've read about halfway through this book, so some of these might be new to me, but here we go. Okay. Save a life today. Party game 23. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. 23. He contained a whole universe that he had yet to know, is the quote in the beginning. It says, pick the biggest palooka you know. Works best when this lout is not a friend or family member, and see if you can get them to smile. Rhonda picked the husband of a friend whom, well, nobody liked that much. Instead of avoiding him like everyone else, Rhonda decided to take him on as her personal project. She decided to see only love, and when she talked to him, she treated him as if he was her best friend. It took a while, but like magic, she says, he eventually changed. You don't have to transform the whole world, just a little piece of it. And that, she goes into more about how to do that, but I think just right there is enough. And it shows you the power that assumptions have. And even though this man, who was a friend of her husband's, no one really liked a lot. So she always assumed probably that something was wrong with him or he was not a nice guy, when in fact the knowledge of that was the perpetuation of the cycle that people always saw him in. So what that means is that if you would treat me poorly, I would always be coming to you in defense. And instead of treating me in a different way, you would always see me as a very defensive person. So what Rhonda did is she treated that man with love and respect as if he was a friend, even though he wasn't. She dropped down her assumptions and she just treated him kindly and from a place of love rather than a place of fear or assuming other thoughts about him, his life, or anything like that. And like magic, she said, it totally transformed how she saw him and how he reacted to her. And just see that person as you and how you would want to be treated, how you would want to be made to feel. And that is just going to help you so much with your relationships, so much with any anxiety or depression. Just see the other person as you. And like magic, that person can entirely change just because you've dropped down your assumptions and you're not treating them in the way that you might have normally treated them when you did have those assumptions. And that's my little golden nugget of the day. If you guys like this, if you liked me reading from this book, the book is by Pam Grout. Focus. My camera's so bad at focusing. Pam Grout. But take this little nugget that I just gave you about dropping your assumptions of people and perceiving them as you and how you would want to be treated and made to feel in every single conversation or interaction that you have, and see what kind of magic comes from it. I hope you guys all have a really great April Fool's Day, and I will see you tomorrow.